Everybody, it's Marie. Welcome back to the channel. How's it going? We're gonna go ahead and continue Halestorm's album Everest with Rain Your Blood on Me. Now, I'm gonna tell you this right now. There's a part where she sings really fast, so I know I'm gonna fuck that up, but other than that, I should be okay. But let's get into this one. Alright, let's go to Halestorm. I'll talk about it in the end. Let's go. Hey! 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 Your blood on me. Rain your blood on me. Hey, 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 hey. Bitches burning in the flames. Wicked women take the blame. Devil's daughter made from pain. Scarlet letters bear the shame. Hey, your blood on me. Rain, your blood on me. Hey, 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 hey. Crimson chaos through the cracks, barefoot through the broken glass. Yeah, yes. Facing goes back from the dead. History repeats himself. Born to be weak, born to be strong, then wrong, but never be right. Sweet to be a little creep, but love the eyes. See, that's where I'm gonna mess up. I'll read it to you again after. Forget to smile. Oh, 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 rain, your blood on me. Rain, your blood on me. I break the chain around my neck, scream my name in shades of red. Red. A great flood is coming soon. Oceans rising with the moon. Rain is running through my veins. Tears of war that paint my face. Pull the knife and lift the blade. Crack the sky and break the rain. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, let me read you that one part that I fucked up on. It was right here. Sorry. Mm. Okay, here we go. Born to be better, born to better be weak, to better be strong, to never be wrong but never be right. Sweet, but don't you be prude, don't be a creep, and don't be a fool, but don't be too wise. That's where I messed up. How did she sing that without getting her tongue twisted? I can hear you now. She's a professional. Oh yeah, she is. I give her that. I give her mad prop. Jesus. Uh, I know there's one more really fast one on. I think it's Watch Out. On this album where I'm gonna fuck up, so I may need a day or two to master it. But still a cool song. I am not aware as to what she's trying to say here. Okay, let me correct myself. What they're trying to say. Maybe it's one of those shut your mouth or I'm gonna kick your ass kind of songs, but because that's what I'm reading here. Now that I actually get to sit down and read the lyrics real quick, that's what I'm guessing. Kind of like Vicious's crazier sister. Um, what do you guys have to say about that? Leave me a comment about it. I discussed the album track by track on the Shiver track, so hopefully that will help. But if you guys have any opinions, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Peace!